When I was doing 365-day challenge, I'd be over at the studio at the easel, take the photo, then I'd walk over into the lounge room and sit down and start processing it, like crop, and write the caption. And as I'm playing with the photo, I'm going, oh no, I've missed something really obvious. And the shapes, I can see straight off there's something wrong with it. In that little tiny screen, it immediately shows any flaws. And so it happened to me that many times, I'd have to stand up thinking I've finished, go back to the easel, fix it up, take another photo and go and sit down and process it. So then I just started going, right, I'm going to just stand here and take a photo and check it before I go wandering off. So it is such a useful thing to do. And I say it in class all the time, especially if you're working sitting down a lot. You kind of get comfortable and you don't get a chance to stand back from the artwork. If you're standing at an easel, like a real artist, we stand up at an easel. That means that we're standing, we're on edge. I always talk about this in class too, is standing keeps you more on the game, like more mindful somehow. You don't relax into modern mind as easily when you're standing. Anyway, if you're at an easel, you've got a chance you can walk right back. And a good artist will constantly be walking back and having a look at that painting from a distance. That is the same effect as taking a photo on your phone and looking at a small photo. So if you're standing, it's easy. You just walk back 3 meters and check it and you can go, oh, I know what's wrong. If you're sitting and you're close up to your artwork a lot, take a photo and look at it on a small screen and you'll see the flaws really quickly.